Back with another video. Thank you for tuning in and thank you for clicking on this video. In this video, I'm going to show you products that dropship right now, sell and make up to $10,000 with Shopify. If this is something you're interested in, which you are because you clicked on this video, definitely make sure to stay all the way to the end of this video so that you don't miss any type of valuable action-packed content that I have for you. If you find any of this helpful, all I ask is for you to comment hashtag MrDavinci or leave a thumbs up on this video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing. If not, it's okay. It's up to you. Anyway, so here I am on the platform website, dropshiphunter.com. You can get access to this by clicking on the first link in the description. You can also click below in the comment section and use my code MrDavinci, save you 20% off your first month. Currently, we have over 1,239 products. New products get added daily, so you'll never go dry with winning products for you to use and test for your Shopify store. So, the first product that I have for you is the Smart Touch Sensor Cabinet LED Light. Selling price is $17.99. Product cost is $4.06, and giving you a total profit margin of $13.93. So let's scroll down here. We have a nice ready to go description with a nice GIF for you to use. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you know that I've been using GIFs instead of, I use video ads too. That's provided through Dropship Hunter, but GIFs really help my retargeting when it comes to video views, especially those who watch 3 seconds. But if you use a GIF, the funny thing is you can get up to 100% video views because the GIFs are so short. As you see, it's just flashing and going away. Let me stop this for someone have a seizure. But yeah, so you can use that and then use that for your retargeting. If you would like to see me create a video on how to create retargeting ads for Facebook, leave me a comment below. But as you can see, we have not one, not two, but 3 AliExpress suppliers, link to Amazon to sell for fast shipping, a link to eBay if you're doing eBay drop shipping, and a link to our competitors selling this product. So before we continue, let's take a look. I have already opened our competitor in another tab, just making this video just so I don't have to waste any of your time. I love saving money. I agree. So this is lilydealstore.com. Interesting name. And here they are. They have the product. It was $35.98. It's now $17.99. So that's close to about 45%, almost 50% off. They have 2 different type of lights. They have the warm lights and they have the white lights. As you can see, I clicked on the product. You can see the difference between the warm lights and the white lights. So as we scroll down, we have a nice bundle offer here. Minimum quality. Buy 2, get 3% off. Buy 4, 5% off. Buy 6, get 8% off. Then they have a nice description here about the product. Continue scrolling down. We have the bulletin. This is mainly basically covering the benefits. They have the main features. Now, me personally, I don't like to include the main features. I'm more so about how the product can benefit them. So using main features isn't something that I recommend. But if it's working for them, more power to them. That's just something that I personally don't use. So as you see, I'm continue to scroll down. We have nice pictures going along with me here. It's not just, pictures that's up at the slideshow and you keep going and, they stop. And then they have a nice before and after picture. You can't really see that because it doesn't say before and after. But if you see regular lights compared to what they're selling, it's pretty much it's pretty much in the consumer's mind telling them this is what you have now compared to what we have. Do you notice the difference? And then they have the 4 steps of how to set it up, how to use it. Overall, it's nice. As you see, they have no reviews, they have no videos, they have no gifts. That is a red flag to me. I think that if you was to go out and actually sell this product, you can definitely outsell them. They have a nice setup for their product page. If that's your product page, no offense, but it could be better. So let's continue scrolling down. Let's go down to some targeting interests. I know a lot of y'all been asking me, don't mind that. A lot of y'all been asking me about what is the best methods to go for targeting? Do the interests for Dropship Hunter actually work? Yes, they do. I personally use the interests, what they do, to get me started when I first create my ads. And then when duplicate the ad, I go to the suggestions tab in Facebook ads. I know this is confusing to you because I don't have my Facebook ads manager up, but if you would like for me to go more in depth about showing you how I actually create a Facebook ad, leave me a comment below, hashtag MrDavinci, and I will consider that based on how many comments we get based on this video. So country is USA, gender is all. We want to target both male and female. Age range, I've been testing something out recently, and I've been using 22 through 65. It's been converting for me very well, so I would suggest that you try that. But if your demographic is 18 through 65, more power to you. This is my own personal feedback from my own experience. Take it how you want to. Interest would be furniture and modern furniture. Then as we scroll down, we have a nice ready to go video ad. Now, if you've been watching my videos for some time, you know that when I create my ads, I use Facebook newsfeed, Instagram newsfeed, Instagram Explore page, and the Instagram stories for when I run my ads. So you hear there's a lot of Instagram. Instagram is very key in my marketing, but don't get it twisted that Facebook newsfeed still doesn't work, because it does. So this is the first product that I have for you. Let's move on to the second product of which I have for you, which is the floating lint hair catcher. Selling price is $24.99. Product cost is $3.04, giving you a profit margin of $21.59 a sale. Let's scroll down here. As you see, we can have a nice eye-catching GIF. It basically explains the product without even needing to put the word text on the GIF, because it's basically straight to the point. And then we scroll down, we have another GIF that shows it in use when it's in the washing machine and the dryer. I think this is personally a winning product, and I think that all of you watching this video should hop on this ASAP. Again, we have not one, not two, but 3 AliExpress suppliers, linked to Alibaba, linked to Amazon, linked to eBay. But let's take a look at our competitors who sell in the store, and let's compare their product page, see how well they had this set up. So as you see, as soon as I land on, it's already eye-catching. Have a nice picture here of a before and after with a dog and a cat. So they have a nice moving add to cart button. I like this. They have a nice quantity break right here, by 1, by 2, by 3, by 5. And, we have another quantity break right here, by 2, by 4, by 6 or more. You get 5% off, 10% off, 15% off. They have a very nice. It looks very branded in the trust badge. I can tell that whoever owns the store is really focusing on branding. That's very key and very crucial as we move into 2020. Building brands and establishing yourself as a brand is very key when it comes to getting customers to convert when you're running advertisements to your Shopify store. And then we have here, always keep your outfits clean with our floating lint hair catcher. They have a nice gift ready to go, which I like. You already know how I feel about the gifts. Before and after picture, that's nice as well. Then they have a picture of what the product looks like. Features, we'll keep scrolling down. And then we have here the 4 steps of basically how it works. You put it in, you let it wash, you pick it up. It takes out the lint from all the stuff that's in your pocket or in your coat. Then we scroll down. Now, they don't have any reviews, but overall, I'll give this product a solid A. I'll give it an A. If they have reviews, I'd give it an A+, but based on how it's set up, I can guarantee that they're making sales. So let's get down into the interest in targeting. Country is United States. Gender would be all. Age range, again, 18 through 65. Interest would be kitchen utensils, mommy's kitchen, the kitchen, home appliances. Your best bet will probably be going for home appliances and then going from there. But, hey, that's just my personal opinion. You're welcome to try all 4. Then we have a nice ready-to-go video ad for our Facebook feed, Instagram Explorer page, and Instagram stories. And these are the products that I have for you. Definitely check out all the other content that's popping up on the screen. If you like what you see in this video, help me out by getting seen more across the YouTube algorithm by smashing the thumbs up button. If you really enjoyed what you've seen, subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Click on one of the videos popping up on the screen. Check out my e-commerce, affiliate marketing playlist, Facebook ads playlist, and I'll talk to you soon. This has been MrDavinci. I'm out, bro.